Pet portraits are a multi-million-dollar industry on Etsy. It is one of the most popular niches to sell digital products and, in fact, print on demand products. It is huge, guys. But, guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, on all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. If you look at my screen right now, you can see these different types of pet portraits that are sold right now on Etsy, from these popular now as bestsellers with these beautiful, funny pet portraits in the bathroom, the toilet, reading newspapers, to these really cool watercolor ones that are really cute. And the reason why they do so well is because pets are an emotional trigger for humans. People love their pets and will do anything for their pets. And in fact, they are absolutely love anything to do with personalized custom products of their beautiful, lovely, cute, furry pets. Now, the beautiful thing about this niche is there are so many different categories to get into, whether you're looking for these kind of chef costume, AI created portraits, or these ones with the dog wearing a tweed jacket, or from couples holding their dogs lovingly, to cartoon style dogs, to dogs that are just looking at the camera with the pet in a royal clothing like this one. There are an endless amount of style of pet portraits to get into. And honestly, there is so much space for you to get into it too. And in fact, I'm going to have to show you exactly how to get into it too, honestly. And the thing is, it's not very difficult to stand out. Now, with AI and AI tools, we are fortunate enough to be able to create some of these fantastic custom personalized pet portraits in a matter of minutes. But let's have a look very quickly right now. Let me just go to product analytics and just look at the kind of money that some of these are making. Now, I'm going to just type in pet portraits, and some of the amount of money is absolutely crazy, from 26,000, 20,000, 19,000, and we are talking listings, right? Just single listings. Even these digital pet portraits, which can make up to 14, 15,000, which is crazy. Now, I'm going to show you a trending. Now, this is the great thing about EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool. Check out the link below, where I can actually see what's trending right now. And this is very important because you need to know what's actually selling currently. Okay, here's an example of a pet portrait that can be created with AI really quickly. It's an Etsy pic. It's quite an old listing, to be fair, but it's making good money per month. I mean, currently it's making about $1,921 per month. Really good amount of money for one listing, guys. And the reason why it does so well is because the demand is there. I mean, look, I'm going to use EverBee to show you some of the keywords. And here you just got some of the keywords that actually have good keyword scores, which means that, you can still get into it. Things like historical pet, uniform dog, king dog portrait, renaissance pet, royal pet portrait. These are good, strong keywords that can actually help push your listing. And guys, I teach this in my academy, so don't forget to check out the link below. Now, look, I'm going to create something like this in literally seconds, right? That's what I'm going to say, seconds. And I'm not even going to practice the prompt. I'm just going to write the string of words to create this design really quickly using my go-to design tool, which I'm going to show you how to use really quickly. So just check this out and just see how easy it is to do. Honestly, it's fantastic, easy to produce these designs in seconds, professional, great editing suite. I really like it. If you want to try it out, the link is below. I've got 25% of all the plans using my promo code AJYT, so you can check it out. But look at this. It is honestly the easiest thing to do. Now, what happens is this is the process, right? You create a listing and you say, I can create these fantastic designs, listing is done. And in fact, before I forget, don't forget to check out my 60-minute Etsy challenge where you can create a design listing just like this, like that. Anyway, look at this. Look, I'm going to show you right now. Let's say a customer said to you, hey, beautiful Etsy seller, can you please create a really nice royal portrait of my dog? You say, yeah, sure, I can. Of course I can. I'll do that for you. Just send me the picture of your dog. And they say, yep, we're going to do that right now. Anyway, they send you the picture. So what you do is you go over and you download the picture. So what you do, you go to remix here and you go to upload here, right? So you upload the image, you upload the image that's sent to you and click open. And then you look at the image and you think, okay, oh, that's a little cute dog. Really cute dog. I mean, the image is not the best, but I can work with it, right? And that's the beauty of AI. So what you do, you literally do this. So you click the box at the bottom here, right? And I've clicked remix. So that means I'm going to remix this image and create something from it. So all I'm going to do, and this is me doing it right in front of you, I've not practiced it, although I do know about it, but I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm not going to give you a detailed prompt. I could use ChatGPT, but I'm not going to. I'm literally going to say, create a royal pet portrait of this dog wearing royal clothing in a Renaissance style painting, right? That's it. I'm not even saying any more than that, guys. I just want to demonstrate how easy it is for you, for somebody, because people think this is hard and it's not hard. And people can get into this quickly, but it's easy to do. And literally, I've just done a string of words just to basically describe what I want the new image to be. So using the dog, create a pet portrait for me, a royal pet portrait. That's it. Now I can get into more detail to say what type of clothing. So I can say, I want the dog to have an admiral's clothing or a prince's clothing, right? I might even say that. Look, create a royal pet portrait of this dog wearing a royal prince's clothing. Yeah, let me get into a little bit more detail for you guys. Prince's clothing in a Renaissance style painting, right? I'm not going to add any more. I'm going to keep it simple. I want to see what AI does for me. Now, the other thing I'll say is that there are many different design models that Kittl has, and I'm talking about these AI design creators. And this is what I like about Kittl, because you can get different results, some better than others, but it depends on what you want. If you want more photorealistic, you got to use something slightly different. If you want something more painted, then you're going to use something slightly different. But you have all the design models you need. I'm going to go with Nano Banana, standard Nano Banana, right? Fantastic. And see what I get. I can always change later. I can always improve. I can always amend. I can always change up. I can do what I like. But let's see what the first results is. You generally have to do more takes to see. Now, obviously, you'd probably ask the customer what type of image you want, what type of clothing they want. Ideally, what you do is you'd show an example on your listing, the type of things that you produce, and you number them. And they might say, okay, can you do it in the style of number one, for example? And then you produce it like number one. Simple as that. Makes life easier for you. Anyway, let's generate. So I click generate. Let me stop talking because I do tend to ramble on a lot. Yeah, let me stop chatting away, mate. So we're going to produce this absolutely, well, I don't know. I haven't seen. Oh, okay. Now, that's interesting. Can you see? That's actually quite good. Look at that. That's actually really good. Now, the thing is, you can always take this and you can crop it and do what you like. I mean, what I mean by that is I would probably have it a little bit more like sitting in a chair, right? So what I would do is, let's say you got your canvas, right? Then that way I can sort of position it how I like. Look at that. It's not too bad, is it? Look at that. It looks really good though, isn't it? Really good. Look at that. Oof. Pretty good, huh? Anyway, look, I just want to show you the power of if I wanted to sort of change the idea, right? So I want to get rid of that for a second because not exactly what I wanted. But I'm going to come back to the prompt. So I'm going to say create a royal pet portrait of this dog sitting on a chair, sitting upright on a chair, wearing a royal prince clothing, looking to the side, okay? In the style of a Victorian portrait. So I've given it more information just to kind of get the kind of portrait that I want so that it understands exactly. And this is what it is. The more information you give these prompts or these AI generators, the better. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with now. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Sometimes it needs refining, changing, and that's very, very normal. But once you have something that works, then you literally can create the way it's sitting in a chair. I mean, to be fair, I didn't ask for a frame, but it's okay. What you can do is when we actually come to now, the thing is, this is workable. And what I mean by workable, obviously, I wouldn't even have the frame there. They've created a frame for me. They presumed I needed the frame. But I'll just show you a way of just cropping away the things sometimes that you don't need. So I'm just going to get rid of this frame, really, when it comes down to it. And even, look, this is the sort of space that I have. And to be honest, I'll probably just want to have this part, which is the main part. Now that is probably closer to what I wanted than before, way closer. And it actually looks pretty good. It's definitely a prince. It's got a crown wearing the prince regalia. Now I can do lots of things. I can get rid of the background. I can change the clothing. I can change everything, anything I want. So there's a lot more to it. But you can see that with my second attempt, how good it is. Now I probably want it more in a sort of painted style rather than it looks slightly a bit too realistic. But obviously, you know, when you actually sell something like this, you will have a style, hopefully in a consistent style where you show examples of what you produce. So if you're showing examples of the style that you produce in, obviously when the customer looks at your listing, they know what to expect. So make sure that you have a style that's a popular style, maybe in a more of that painted style. So what I might do, for example, is I could click on here and I say, make the image into a more painted style in the Victorian era, right? So I've asked it to just give me something a little bit more in a painted style. It's good, but I would like a little bit more of a painted style. Okay, let me zoom in slightly. Oh, that's much better. Anyway, like I said, there's a lot more in terms of improvements that I could do, and that just needs amending by clicking on it and adding more prompts and saying what changes I want. Can be done quite quickly, but it shows you how just in a few minutes you can produce something very, very quickly using an image that's sent to you by the customer. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.